Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we would like to introduce our proposed project for Virtual Innovation Competition 2024 with the title AquaAI, Harnessing Computer Vision for Tropical Fish Species Identification in Veterinary Care. So first I would like to introduce our group member. So this particular group is led by Hairul Nizam Razali and followed by me as a presenter, Nick Muhammad Zarifi Hashim, and our project member Anwar Jaafar, Mahmud Dwi Celestio, Muhammad Fazli Muhammad Sam, Aminah Rahmat, Khairuddin Abdul Karim, and Nur Anis Izati Makno. So first of all, I would like to introduce the importance and how we do it the product. So accuracy at species identification is vital for maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity in aquatic environment, especially in the research, treatment, and feeding fishes. Talking about the fishes, basically we need to identify the parts of fishes whereby included eye, fin, anal fin, and the tail. So towards that, basically we face several failures between the analysis stage. So basically, in speaking of the fishes, we face morphological similarity whereby we do have several fish which looks alike but different types of fishes, and could also face the failure among intra-species variation. So last but not least, for the failure analysis, basically we also face the difficulties of the blur and muddy water when we put the camera underneath the water. So towards that, the problem that we face for producing this particular product is the datasets of images for the fishes to be analyzed is still limited. We are struggling to have the stable classification engine and small distinct from the one to another. So I will introduce our objective for this project. So the first is to develop high accuracy identification models whereby we expected to have 90% of the accuracy at the end of the day, and we try to compile the diverse and extensive dataset whereby we collected many of the images so far, and finally we try to integrate the AquaAI in veterinary diagnostic workflow to facilitate early detection among the fishes. So this is the products looks like. So we have user interface UI for AquaAI. If you take a look at here, basically we can upload the images over here and we will have a button submit the image, and finally we have the graphical output references for Baung, Harwan, Keli, Patin, and Tilapia. So this is the apps looks like. When we put some images, then the apps will be recognize or classify the ikan images as a patin over here. So whereby we can say that the apps is clean, friendly, and the computing is happening in the cloud. The real-time analysis is happening, and we will have the percentage of the display result. So speaking of about the novelty, so we propose the new tropical fish image datasets for the tropical fish classification task mentioned earlier. So this is the one that we have the variety of perspective of fishes taken from Google, Bing, and so on and so forth. Last year, we awarded by Innovation and Technology Competition Innotech 2023 with Bronze Award. So speaking about where are we in the implementation perspective, basically we now at level number 4, feasibility demonstration. However, before this, basically we had things at the level of classification model conducted, lab using our own data in the lab. But recently, we tried to push the apps in the real field. Example, we went to Pond, we went to IDIN, for example, to test the apps, and we see how it performs. Okay, so how we do it, basically we custom our own CNN with the input layer convolution dense and with the help of max layer. So whereby we have 5 particular outputs, Baung, Harwan, Keli, Patin, and Tilapia. So when we put it one images over here, so the classes will show up either one of each category of the fish. So where are we in the veterinary care? So basically we are at the first step of the whole cycle of the veterinary care. So we provide this particular analysis whereby we give us a systematic and reliable software to them. So after that, the paramedic, drill medical, and IT science practitioner will take care of the data and so on. Okay, so with this product, basically we provide 90% of smart fish classification accuracy. Also, by using this app, we could implement it without using a huge machine and tool. So whereby we can use just only holding a cell phone by our, and based on the standard neural network, so the result was amazing. 97 to 8% of accuracy. So speaking of the benefit and impact to community, so whereby we can split it into the 4. So basically we try to make a community aware, and we try to educate people about the connection of AI and then the veterinary perspective. Advancement in AI application, we try to showcase how the potential of artificial intelligence towards inspiration of Kerajaan Madani right now, and we try to help the veterinary in terms of disease control. So we also can provide the training tools by using our apps. For the future, our perspective, we also could extend this particular AquaAI with other diagnostic technologies such as water quality and sensor, genetic testing, and so on and so forth. So So the potential of to be commercialized, this particular product could be integrated into the aquaculture management system. So we have connection and collaboration with Aminah Rahmat, located at Segamat, doing the tropical fish industry. So we have a letter of intent with them. So we try to approach them to sell our product between 10k to 25k of ringgit Malaysia. So we also have the plan C to sell our apps to Apple Store with the price of 20 USD. So this is our demo. So I'll show you the demo for now on. So say that we open up the apps. So the apps, we just take any randoms of ikan bau, for example. So we scroll and we choose this particular images and we store in our cell phone. We take back and we put in the apps. Then here we go. We have the bau for 100% as the classification. So for that, thank you. See you when I see you again. Bye.